How to transfer money from PayPal to debit card 2025 method. If you've ever wondered how to get your PayPal funds directly onto your debit card quickly and safely, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk through the exact steps to transfer money from PayPal to a debit card in 2025 including tips to speed up transfers, avoid common mistakes, and understand the fees involved. You won't believe how simple it can be once you know the method. Most people assume that transferring money from PayPal always takes a few business days. But here's the surprising truth. You can get your funds almost instantly if you follow the right steps. Many users get this wrong, thinking it's only possible to withdraw to a bank account, but in reality, your linked debit card can act as a fast access point for your PayPal balance. Let's start with the basics. To transfer money from PayPal to a debit card, you first need to make sure that your PayPal account is fully verified. This means you've linked your debit card, confirmed your email address, and provided any necessary identification if prompted. Verification ensures not only that your transfers are faster, but also that you're protected against fraud. Once your account is ready, here's how to make the transfer. 1. Log into your PayPal account either through the app or website. For 2025, PayPal's interface has been updated to make transfers more intuitive, so look for the transfer money button on the home screen. 2. Select transfer to your bank Even though it says bank, you'll have the option to choose a debit card linked to your account. This is an important step because PayPal treats debit card withdrawals differently from bank account transfers often making them faster. 3. Choose your debit card from the list of linked cards. Make sure it's a Visa, MasterCard, or another major network card supported by PayPal. Some prepaid or smaller network cards might not be eligible for instant transfers, so double-check to avoid delays. 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer. You can transfer your full PayPal balance or a partial amount, depending on your needs. In 2025, PayPal allows you to transfer amounts as low as $1, which is perfect for quick, small transactions. 5. Select the transfer speed PayPal now offers two options: standard transfers and instant transfers. Standard transfers are usually free but can take 1-3 business days whereas instant transfers go directly to your debit card within minutes, though there's a small fee, usually around 1.5% of the transfer amount For example, if you transfer $200 instantly, the fee would be about $3, which is a small price for immediate access to your money. 6. Confirm the transfer After reviewing the details, click transfer now You'll see a confirmation screen showing the estimated arrival time. For instant transfers, it will usually say within 30 minutes In practice, many users report receiving the funds in under 10 minutes. Now, let's talk about a few common pitfalls and tips Many people link their bank account instead of a debit card, and then wonder why the transfer takes so long. While bank transfers are perfectly fine, linking a debit card can make your money available almost instantly Also, make sure your debit card is activated and not expired Otherwise the transfer will fail and may be delayed while you update your information. Another tip is to check the daily and weekly transfer limits In 2025, PayPal allows verified accounts to transfer up to $25,000 per transaction for debit cards, with weekly limits varying by account type. This is usually more than enough for personal or small business use, but if you regularly need to move large sums, it's worth keeping these limits in mind. If you run into any issues, PayPal provides help section and live chat support Common problems include declined transfers due to card restrictions, network compatibility, or temporary holds on your PayPal account. Most of these issues can be resolved by double-checking your card information and ensuring your account is in good standing. Let's consider a real-world example Imagine you just received payment from a freelance client in your PayPal account $500. You want to use that money immediately for supplies or bills. By following the steps above, You can move the $500 to your debit card in minutes and have it available for purchases, online payments, or ATM withdrawals. Compare that to standard bank transfers that might take a few days, and you'll see why using your debit card is a game changer. It's also worth mentioning that in 2025, PayPal has improved its security protocols. Every transfer to a debit card now comes with instant fraud monitoring and notifications so you'll know immediately if there's suspicious activity. You can also enable push notifications on your phone to get instant alerts whenever money is added to your card. Now, let's discuss the fees in more detail. Standard transfers are free, but instant transfers to debit cards carry a fee of around 1-1.5%, capped at a certain amount in some regions. This is significantly lower than alternative methods like cash advances from ATMs or third-party services, making PayPal's debit card transfer one of the most convenient and cost-effective options available. For business owners, this method is particularly useful if you receive client payments, selling products online, or providing services through platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or eBay. Transferring funds directly to your debit card can accelerate cash flow and help you pay vendors or contractors immediately. Instead of waiting for bank processing times, your money is accessible when you need it most. Another advanced tip: link multiple debit cards. This way, if one card has an issue or is nearing its transfer limit, you can switch to another card without interrupting your workflow. PayPal supports multiple cards, making it easier to manage finances across personal and business accounts. Now let's recap the step-by-step process quickly for clarity. 1. Verify your PayPal account and link a debit card. 2. Log in and click transfer money 3. Select transfer to your bank then choose your linked debit card. 4. Enter the transfer amount. 5. Select instant transfer for fast access or standard transfer for free but slower processing. 6. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to appear on your debit card. And that's it. A simple, reliable way to move money from PayPal to a debit card in 2025 Whether you're an individual looking for fast access to personal funds or a business owner managing payments, this method offers speed, flexibility, and control. In conclusion, transferring money from PayPal to a debit card is the easiest way to access your funds immediately. By linking the right debit card, understanding the fees, and following these steps, you can avoid delays, keep your finances flowing, and take advantage of instant transfers. Most people get this wrong by defaulting to standard bank transfers, but now you know the surprising truth. Your money can be in your hands within minutes. So, go ahead, set up your PayPal account properly, link your debit card, and start enjoying faster, easier access to your funds in 2025. You'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner.